Okay, my name's Richie Pullman. I'm the project manager for the Lost Peatlands project. It's a project funded by the National Lottery Heritage Fund. It's led by Port Talbot Council in partnership with Natural Resources Wales, RCT Council, Coll and Swansea University. So we are up at Cregan Habitat Restoration Area. It's above Nglyncorrwg in the Avon Valley. And this is a site that we restored peat at in late 2023. So what you can see behind us is post-restoration. It's a blanket bog habitat that has been degraded historically but now restored. And as you might also be able to see, it's quite wet up here, and that's what we're after.
We have recently completed the restoration of a large peatland site right here above the hills in Nglyncorrwg. This vast area of around 50 hectares is the equivalent of 70 rugby pitches. But what are peatlands? You might know them as bogs or moors, and they play a vital role in our environment. Peatlands are like nature's carbon vaults, storing massive amounts of carbon and helping us in the fight against climate change. They are bustling ecosystems, providing a home to rare and endangered plants and animals. But here's the part that really hits home. They can help to prevent flooding downstream by retaining water in the hills, whilst also reducing the spread of mountain wildfires. This amazing project is bringing benefits to our local communities, whilst also helping to tackle climate change.
So on the left of us, you've got a site that's been recently felled by forestry contractors. Typically that would be replanted, but if it's on deep peat, which this site is, you would then sort of move in with peatland contractors to restore the peatland by blocking the channels, turning the stumps upside down.
So in a year's time you wouldn't even recognise this again? It's going to be sort of overgrown and...
A lot of vegetation will come back, especially in 5 years' time. It'll just be bog type habitat.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what we'll be looking at in the future.